Hey guys, welcome back. Today is wig install day. Yay! So guys, just continue to watch to the end to see how these wigs turn out. Thank you so much you guys for joining me. So once again, this is the wig, you guys, and it's from Evans Hair on Amazon, and I will drop the link below. So my head is really small, so I'm just putting it all the way in. As you can see, it has, so I'm just gonna hook this right where the clip is, and I'm gonna show you. So I've hooked it right where the clip is, and then I'm going to hook number 2 in the same spot because my head is not that big. All right, so now that it's hooked in the same spot, let's try this out. Ooh. Guys, it's so soft. To be honest, I really like this hair. So pretty much you can do it your way. So I'm going to go in with my bigger comb. You guys, I really love this hair, and the thing is, you can literally do whatever hairstyle you like. So I'm going to change out these earrings. Guys, I'm in love with this, and as I said, you can do it however you prefer. So whichever way you prefer to wear it, you guys. If you want to have a sweep, if you want to do a sweep in the front, so you can do a sweep to the side. But for me personally, I just like to have a little bit of a play. Guys, it is just so soft and silky smooth, and it's a fun summer look. You could wear this with a green dress and it would be awesome. You can put a play on it depending on how you feel, the vibe you're having. You know, you could just give it a kind of a sweep. Let me just open up the curls to show you guys what I'm talking about. Right, so you just open up the curls. Let me show you the back, you guys. So I'm actually really loving this, and I will definitely be rocking this one for the summer. So I will now show you my second look for the summer. I have a darker color, and that's from Zen Hair on Amazon, and my girl has also hooked me up with that one. This one is darker, and this one is also a pixie. It does come with the comb, and you get your extensions. So little girl with a small head will be putting once more the bands close. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look of this hair, and honestly, I am telling you that I'm totally in love with this summer vibe. So pretty much, as I said, you can have a play on it, any direction that suits you, you go with it. For me personally, I think sweeps usually go well for me on the left. And I like to have a little bit of a play on my bones. You guys won't regret getting this hair. I'm totally bought on this vibe. You guys, this is totally my vibe. So I like to go in with these, because this is for baby hairs, but when you smooth this thing down, or you can use the smaller part of the comb area to give you a little bit of play on the hair. I'll put a link to these combs in the description box to you guys. So this is my summer look my friends. So you guys, we have come to the end of another video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, you guys. Hit the bell for notification so that you never miss another video. Please also leave a comment below, and you guys give me a thumbs up if you like these videos. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for joining me, guys, and make sure to try out this summer vibe. It's awesome. Thank you guys so much. Bye.